In a cozy house on a bright sunny day lived Tum and Jerry, who loved to play. Tum was a cat with whiskers so white, Jerry a mouse who loved to hide. Tum would stretch with a big loud meow, I'll catch that mouse and I'll catch him now. Jerry would giggle, oh no you won't, and zip through a hole that Tum just don't. Through the kitchen and under the chair, over the table and into the air, Tum would slip on a shiny floor, while Jerry laughed near the cupboard door. Crash went a pot, bang went a pan, Tum ran faster as fast as he can. Jerry jumped onto a rolling spoon, singing a happy little tune. Into the garden they both would dash, through muddy puddles, splashety splash. Tum got covered in gooey green, the funniest cat you've ever seen. Jerry climbed high on a tall old tree, catch me if you can, said he. Tum climbed too, but oh dear me, he tumbled down with a loud wee. At night when the moon began to glow and fireflies put on a tiny show, Tum felt tired from all the chase, with sleepy eyes and a muddy face. Jerry came out with a piece of cheese. Let's stop running now, pretty please. We've raced all day, we've had our fun, but being kind is number one. Tum looked shy and gave a grin. Maybe tomorrow we'll race again. They shared a snack beneath the stars, forgetting about their bumps and scars. So if you hear a crash or cheer, it's Tum and Jerry having fun near. They chase and tumble, laugh and play, best little rivals every day. But deep inside, as you can see, they're friends as happy as can be.